guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I just wanted to show you guys how adorable these plastic champagne flutes are from the Chateau Fine Tableware store. We chose these for my in-laws' 45th wedding anniversary celebration, and they were the perfect addition to our table setting. So the reason I chose these was because of the sparkly gold glitter throughout the whole glass, including the base, and I absolutely love the gold rim, which gives it that perfect touch of elegance that we were wanting. These flutes went perfectly with all the other gold decor for the anniversary party. These are 8.5 inches tall, and they will hold 6.5 ounces of your favorite champagne. And the best part about them is that they are disposable. I personally get so nervous when I'm hand washing champagne glasses because of how sensitive they are. So I love that with these, I don't have to worry about anything. I can simply just throw them in the recycle bin. But I will have to say, just a little part of me did get a little bit sad just throwing these away after one use, just because of how pretty they are. But I will say that they are very sturdy and very durable. So you can actually hand wash them yourself and reuse them if you wanted to. So they come in 2 parts, and all you do is just attach the base to the stem and voila, you're ready to go. And like I said, they're very durable and very sturdy. They're not made out of a flimsy plastic material. My 1-year-old niece actually took one of these at the party and was hitting it against the floor, and I was very surprised that it didn't crack or break. These are definitely high quality champagne flutes. These come in a pack of 36, which was just the right amount for our little anniversary party. So if you're also looking for some sophisticated, elegant, and sleek champagne flutes that are also disposable, these are definitely the way to go. But that's just my point of view.